The Concussion Fix course is a course specifically designed for patients. And the idea is that most of the time, the things that are needed for concussion recovery are simple things that can be done on your own. So these are the conversations that I'm frequently having with my patients and our other presenters are frequently having with their patients to just try and provide education and guidance with respect to things you can do for your recovery, right? Things that are good for recovery, we know things like exercise, diet, sleep, hormone balance, vestibular rehab, visual rehab, treatment of the neck. All of these different things are important for concussion, but as a patient, it's often difficult to know what to do, when to do it, how hard to do it, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. So the questions that we always frequently get, the conversations that we always are having with our patients on just kind of repeat mode, we decided that this would be more applicable as a course to help empower patients to take control of their own recoveries and help them implement the steps needed in order to get better. There's a lot of people that can't get access to good concussion care. There's a lot of people that are given misinformation, limited information, conflicting information. And so this course is designed to be an evidence based scientific background framework that can provide you with guidance on how you can tackle your concussion recovery.